Welcome to the SSI Dashboard, your command center for market intelligence powered by sentiment, buzz, and artificial intelligence. In one view, you get a macro snapshot of your portfolio and the market forces shaping it, helping you spot opportunity, manage risk, and outperform. Create and save multiple portfolios for clients, strategies, or personal investments. With one click, the dashboard updates to reflect exactly what matters to you. SSI analyzes market behavior across 4 views. Absolute buzz shows where attention is highest, while absolute sentiment reflects overall portfolio mood, including which stocks are lifting or dragging your portfolio. Change in buzz highlights what's beginning to gain traction, and change in sentiment shows how opinions are shifting, often ahead of price. Together, they reveal momentum, risk, and emerging opportunities. Adjust your view across multiple time horizons, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, and quarterly timeframes. Switch to full screen for deeper focus. Click on any stock to get a single stock view across all time horizons. The word cloud surfaces the top narratives and specifically the keywords and influencers shaping market sentiment from earnings to inflation to global events. It helps you understand why markets are moving, not just how. Sentiment Plus alerts use AI-driven insights to detect meaningful changes in sentiment, buzz, and price. Daily alerts flag major 24-hour shifts, while momentum alerts reveal trends where sentiment and price align. You get early signals that support faster and more confident decisions. Separate market and off-market sentiment to see what's driven by trading and what's driven by news, media, and external factors. When markets are closed, sentiment acts as a proxy for price, helping you gauge direction even when trading stops. Use the Ask SSI bot or SSI GPT to ask questions in natural language. The bot connects directly to SSI's data through APIs and blends it with a powerful large language model to deliver clear, actionable answers. Try a sample question or enter one of your own, relevant to the stocks in your portfolio. The sector dashboard reveals where sentiment is strengthening or weakening across industries, helping you position capital with confidence. Now that you've seen the dashboard, click Take a Tour to explore further. Use the next and back buttons to move through the tour and exit at any point. SSI gives you early clarity in a noisy market. Ready for deeper analysis? Explore the query screen next.